Welcome back, everyone. David here with Fred Sanford's Vintage Sewing Machine Parts, and I'm here today to talk about Singer 221 motors. They came in a previous box, and I brought them out the other day, and I realized, hey, they all have tags on them. So we're going to take a look at them and see what they have to say. There's the first one in a box. Has a bunch of writing on the outside. I'm just wondering if this motor belongs. Let's just read what it says on the tag first. It may not be in a correct box. This motor that actually helps me read it. This motor runs, but started to smoke after running 30 minutes. You mean like continuously? Well, there's number one. That's what you get for number one. The wiring seems to be in very nice shape. And I'm sure there's somebody out there, if that's the case with this motor, they know how to fix it. And it has a part inside here. So I take it that goes right there. Is there a, yep, there's a, there we go. So, oh, you got that. So you're, I guess that's complete. I'm not sure what goes here. What's missing here? We have the screws probably not in here. Let's see if we can make out some of this aftermarket number motor, but don't look aftermarket. This aftermarket motor seems to run faster than the original. This must have been for another one. I'm pretty sure the aftermarket things have an S on them. So here's a different color S. Here's the first one. It was in red. I'm definitely no featherweight expert. I've only seen a couple in my career. So this one's like a black S. It's missing the pulley. Oh, and there goes the tag. Can't lose it. This definitely was attached to it. So let's see what it says. This motor is not running. The field. Let's see if I can see this better. The field is open. See if anybody can make anything out of that. Oh, it's not just me. It's let me try the magnifying glass. Oh, that helps. The field was probably shorter when or longer mounting screw was used, and with that went the die-cast frame. Okay. Alright, if anyone made any sense of what I just said, let me know. So there's that one. Here's one in the box here. Nothing. It says salvage for spare parts. Huh. I don't know, I got 3 here. It ain't looking good so far, honestly. There's the last one. This one's in a bag. Might be hope for this one. This might be the aftermarket one, because I'm seeing right off the bat the wiring's colored. It's colored wiring. Let me see if I can get it out of this bag. It's not even a Singer, it's an Alpha Sew. Oh, they make new motors. This must be brand new. Let me read the tag. You get the point. I don't have to take it out of the plastic. It's shiny. Don't look like it's been out of the plastic. So let's put it back, plastic back on, and see what it says. Here's the tag. This Where's my glasses at? There they are. I got them. This is a new motor. Was installed by, I don't know what, some kind of seller. Okay, let me try to put the magnifying glass to it and read it. By something seller, I don't know what it's trying to say. And the machine, something. She wanted the original motor, it looks like. Saying something about sell it with a lifetime guarantee for 150. I didn't mean to leave everyone out of focus here. What gets a lifetime warranty? Guaranteed. It says that, I'm telling you. It says sell with a lifetime guarantee for 150. Alright then. There you have it. Maybe I'll sell them to somebody that works on them in a lot. They can offer me a fair price. Because I know there's some money to make for somebody. And I have a trolling motor to buy. Because there's some fish out there waiting for me in Harley. They're just waiting for us. Waiting for us to go out there. Can't wait. 6 months. Woo, can't wait. I hope you liked the video. If you're interested, send me a message on Facebook. Thanks for watching. More videos to come.